Medix 55 body lotion is not a bleaching cream, it's a brightening cream. So get this fact straight.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, yes I know, but your girl is back. In this video I'm going to be reviewing Medix 55 vitamin C plus turmeric body lotion. This is the new bottle. They have changed the bottle. This was the old bottle. Let me put it up here. This was the old bottle, but this is the new bottle. Okay, so don't say this is fake, this is original. It's the same thing, just that they changed the bottle. So let's get straight to the cream. Now I'm going to be talking about the consistency. Okay, let me show you the consistency. It's a very thick lotion, not so thick. It looks thick, let me say it like that. It's thick, but you need a good body oil to pair it with. Okay, if not, you have to use a lot of it. You can see my hands. Okay, so it's a thick moisturizing lotion, but you need to pair it with a good body oil like Aveeno, Neutrogena, olive oil, coconut oil. Is very moisturizing, very good. The smell is nice. It smells like citrus, like a little bit of lemon zest. Yeah, I have 2 containers here. This is almost done. Okay, and this is the second bottle. I really love the product, and it's really does what it promises. Let me read what it says. It says it reduces the look and of dark spots and blotchy tones. Like if you are somebody who have bleached in the past and you want your skin to come back, okay, you want your original skin color to come back, this is a very good cream to bring back your old skin. And but it's going to tone you slowly. Okay, it's going to tone you slowly and make you glow. Please don't use this on your face. It's not a face cream, it's a body lotion. Okay, it promises to treat and to brighten and to firm the skin. Look, brighten plus firm body treatment cream. Like, this cream is so good. Like, I love the smell. I really love the smell. It smells so mild. I don't like creams with perfumes, so this is very good. It smells like orange, like lemon, like, but in a nice way. It's in a nice way. It's free from parabens, so if you are scared of cancer, please, you are safe. Okay, let me read the bottle. Let me see. It said skincare is a science. Use the power of proven science and pure ingredients to rebalance your skin. Okay, the optimal pH for a healthy skin barrier is 5.5, right where it's happiest. That's why they promise that. That means the 5.5 comes from the pH balance of the body skin. It should be 5.5, and they have promised it. So you have a good pH balance for your skin. It tones you slowly. No dark knuckles. Okay, if you want to see my dark knuckles, scroll down to my old videos. You will vomit. Like, no dark knuckles. Look at my skin. I don't have any makeup. Okay, but this is, anyways, this is not for the face. I will do a separate video for my face, like what I use for my face. So as you are toning your body, then you have to also take good use as you are toning your body, make sure you are taking care of your inner body as well. Like, you have to take good supplements like collagen, biotin, vitamin C. Drink more water to flush out your system so that anything you apply on your body will work. Because if you don't take good care of your inner body, any cream you use won't work. Okay, make sure you drink more water. That's the most important thing. And please don't go and add any bleaching oil to this. Can I get 2 shades lighter with you won't get any 2 shades lighter. You won't get any 2 shades lighter. This is a good cream that will, like, it will bring out your original tone, but tones you, like, glow you. Okay, it will glow you. You will love your body. The smell is nice, the cream is nice. You need to add a good body oil to it so that it works. Okay, not bleaching oil, please. I made mention of Neutrogena or Aveeno, olive oil, coconut oil, all this palmer's oil, something mild. Okay, and you will love your skin. Look at my skin. Like, look at my skin. Those who have followed me way back in the past, you know my skin, you know my knuckles. Look, it's a good cream. Please get it. The only disadvantage, okay, the only disadvantage of this cream is the price. I heard it's too expensive in Africa. Like this one, I think I bought it for 16-17 euros, I think, if I'm sure. I don't remember. I got 2 of them. I wanted to try it, but I said, okay, let me get 2 just in case it works. And do you know what? One funny thing, I buy mine from iHerb. If you are in Europe or America, you can buy yours from iHerb. Just download the iHerb app. If you download it, this cream is always out of stock. It's always out of stock. Like, it comes today and in 5 minutes. Sometimes immediately you add it to your cart, it's finished. It's out of stock. The way people are consuming this cream, the way people are consuming this cream is so funny. Guys, get one for yourself. It's expensive, but what can you do? One bottle like this lasts for long. It is let me see how big it is. It's 444 ml. If you are someone who don't use too much cream, I think this can last you for 3 months, especially if you pair it with an oil. A little goes a long way. So if you take a tiny bit, then you apply your oil and you're good to go. Okay, so buy it. Buy this Medix 55 lotion. Buy it. Buy it. Anybody who used it and it did not work, don't trust them. They might have probably used it with a bleaching soap or a bleaching oil. Don't use it with a bleaching soap. Don't use it with a bleaching oil. Today I'm angry. The bleaching is too much. Guys, stop bleaching. Okay, stop bleaching and you will love your skin. You will love your skin. You know, you can pair this one with Dove body soap or Nivea body soap, Neutrogena body soap, Aveeno body soap. Then you get the same oils, okay, the same oils, and then pair it. And I will suggest, as I always say, don't mix the cream. Okay, don't mix the cream with the oil and store it. Just take a tiny bit. You know, bleaching creams are what you can mix and store for it to be really active. But this kind of creams, you don't have to mix anything. You just take a tiny bit, then you apply your oil. Oh, let's say this is my oil. Okay, you just apply your oil and then you use it. Okay, or you can apply the cream all over your body, and after you are done, you apply your whole oil to your whole body. Okay, this is just a short review. I will come back again. I've been seeing people asking a lot of questions on the fair and white skin white. Yeah, fair and white, so white. So I will do another review on that because the questions I'm seeing is too much. This is the end of this video, guys. If you love it, just give me a thumbs up, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you. I'll be back next week. Bye. Mwah.